Hi, my name is Akashdip Mahapatra, fourth year mechanical student, 7th semester. So today I introduce in this video this power supply project, and this is the QR. You can scan the QR and see this video anytime. In this video I can explain how it's work and everything you must know. So what I can do, first I can give the power supply in this box. So I can power supply in this box. You can see the main area of these things. First I can check the everything is connected or not to the main switchboard, and then I power on the AC supply voltage from the home current, and you can see the I can turn on the switch, but you can see the power is not coming there. So to active this complete process, the complete thing, the inside transformer, you can on the black switch. So if I turn on the black switch, so you can see the power supply is come to the transformer through the every circuit board, but the inside circuit board is on power, but the outside circuit board is still not supply the power. I can see, I can demonstrate the thing. If I connected the two probes to the outside connections, and then I can, if I complete the circuit, I mean the if the I complete the short circuit, you can see the ampere is not off and the short circuit indicator is not blinked. But if I turn on this button, so these two probes is on current. But now I can on the switch, and then I can complete the circuit. You can see there was a red bulb blinking. It's indicate there was a short circuit, and if you also check, the ampere is increasing to ensure the circuit is connected and the electron is flowing normally. Okay. If you not understand, I can demonstrate a bulb. First I can turn off the outside probes button, turn off, and then I can connected the bulb to the probes. So now you can see the I can connect the bulb, the LED bulb, to the probes, and now I can you can see the bulb is still not blinking because the outside power is stopped. And if I turn on the outside power and increase the voltage, you can see, acha, the voltage still I off this, you can see the LED bulb is off. If I on, the LED bulb is on. If I increase the voltage little bit, you can see the voltage is increasing. Okay, and the bulb is changed, the blue bulb is changed into green. Actually it's is blasted. Okay, the internal components is blasted. Okay, because of high voltage. So okay, you can see it's the main power up switch for transformer. If I on, everything inside the box is turned off. Okay, and if I on, everything inside the box is turned on. Every circuit take the power supply on. Okay, and this switch is responsible to the outside probes for our anything you can work. This is not work, the bulb is completely damaged because of higher voltage. Okay. Of and still you can see there was a short circuit indicator. Okay, so this is the complete working process of this box, and bye.